Most people get this wrong when trying to save money on prescriptions. They have access to pharmacy discounts through Amazon Prime, but they never activate or use the benefit correctly. Here's the truth no one tells you. A few minutes of setup can potentially help you compare prices and reduce medication costs. In this video, you'll learn how Amazon Prime pharmacy discounts work in 2026, how to use them step by step, and the most common mistakes you should avoid. Let's get straight into it. If you're an Amazon Prime member, you may have access to pharmacy-related savings and prescription services through Amazon Pharmacy. The first step is signing in to your Amazon account and visiting the Amazon Pharmacy section. Once you're there, you'll need to create or access your pharmacy profile. If you're transferring a prescription, follow the instructions provided to move your prescription information from your current pharmacy. If you're getting a new prescription, your healthcare provider may be able to send it directly to Amazon Pharmacy where available. But here's the problem. Many people assume discounts apply automatically to every medication. This is where most users get confused. Savings can vary depending on the medication, location, availability, insurance status, and current pricing. That's why comparing options is important. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Before completing an order, review the available pricing information. In some cases, using a Prime-related discount may be beneficial. In other situations, insurance pricing or another option may be more cost-effective. Let's look at a simple example. John needs a recurring prescription. Instead of immediately ordering from the first pharmacy he finds, he checks Amazon Pharmacy pricing, reviews available savings, and compares the final cost. That quick comparison helps him make a more informed decision. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid delays. First, make sure your prescription information, shipping address, and payment details are accurate. Many order issues happen because of incomplete account information rather than problems with the pharmacy itself. This is where most people fail. They wait until they need medication urgently before setting up their account. Creating your pharmacy profile in advance can make the process smoother when you actually need a prescription filled. Another important tip is to carefully review shipping timelines. Prescription delivery times can vary, so planning ahead is always a smart move. Remember, prescription availability, pricing, eligibility, and discount programs can change over time. Always review the latest information directly through Amazon Pharmacy and consult your healthcare provider for medical advice regarding your prescriptions. Let's recap. Sign into Amazon, access Amazon Pharmacy, create your pharmacy profile, transfer or submit your prescription, compare pricing options, and review available savings before placing an order. Now you know how to use Amazon Prime pharmacy discounts more effectively and make informed decisions about your prescription purchases. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.